How to fix WhatsApp chat backup stuck easily and fast. All what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps like this, and now on this step, all what you want to do here is very simple. Scroll until you find the WhatsApp, click on it, and then click on force stop in the top here to stop running the app. Then click on data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled from the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the background data, and the roaming data. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details. Make sure the power consumption alert is enabled. Then click down here on force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.